Oh my God, doesn't this market suck? It's so bad. I'll show you what happened to my SLB trade. It didn't work out because everything gapped lower this morning. And yesterday I tried something just because I thought I had a feeling that things were going to go higher, and boy was I wrong. I was thinking around 2 o'clock, I was like, you know what? It feels like there's going to be some buying. It feels like somebody's going to get in. Things are going to start looking up, and we'll break out of that triangle that I was talking about. And just the opposite happened. It was a sell-off. It was the triangle still intact, and we're moving lower. So here are my trades. So SLB gapped down lower this morning, about 5%, and I didn't wait around to see what happened. I just got out of it, and you can see I took a small loss. It was only like about $230 loss, so no big deal. This kind of just shows you what kind of crappy market we're in. If you don't catch these things right at the bottom and get out with a small profit, you're going to get whipsawed. And on the daily, it doesn't look any better. I was really hoping when I got in that it might be the time where SLB decided to get back up here to the moving averages. And it looks instead like it's at least flopping down lower, and it might go lower. And here's the triangle I spoke about 2 weeks ago. It's funny because I heard Art Cashin talking about triangles this morning, and I thought, well, maybe I got something right. And I didn't play this. I was considering playing a top here, trying to short it just to see what happened, but I just didn't feel real good about it, so I didn't do it. Now, where is this going to end? I'm thinking a lot of stocks are setting up for divergences, and if to create a divergence here, it would have to get back down to this 871 level. That would break through this triangle. If we break down to the 871 level, I wouldn't necessarily expect it to go much lower because I think we're extremely oversold as it is, but it could just continue down into the low 800s. It could come all the way down here to 840 or even lower, and I think that would be quite dramatic, but it certainly is a possibility. And I just want to also point out that if you're playing pattern theory at home, 840 to 1040 is about 200 points. So pattern theory suggests that if this does break through this triangle at 900, we'll drop 200 points from that, which would be 700. 700? Yeah, nah, right. It seems unbelievable, but look at what we've done here. Here's another, again, same pattern theory. Roughly, I know that wasn't quite exact, but roughly 200 points from here to here. If you want to call this a pennant, that's kind of hard to see. So not real happy with that kind of pattern, but whatever. But both those patterns kind of they confirm each other, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I am a little bit wary of this, but I'm also very wary of getting into this market short because I've been whipsawed so many freaking times. I'm getting tired of it. So it occurs to me as I wrap this up that I'm trading this wrong. You have to have a fairly thick skin if you're going to play divergences, because you never know which one's going to be the right one. So you gotta just put the last one behind you and go on to the next, right? But it occurs to me that maybe I should be playing the continuation. Even at this low, I'm a little hesitant to play continuations down here because it seems like we're so oversold. But with the past week of gyrations, it may not be that we're oversold. It may just be that we're resetting ourselves and to get ready to take the next step down. The markets don't move in direct lines. Well, sometimes it appears that they do, but it may just be that we're at this point and we're going through consolidation to figure out where the next step down is. So I might look into that. I might make a trade there as the day progresses.